Hello everybody, welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal here in the Bethesda office with Natural Transplants, and we have my friend Melvis here. Melvis, good to see you. We just met, but I feel like I've known you forever.
Yeah, that's true.
Coming in from Jersey today. Thank you for sharing your story with everybody. We're gonna have a fun day today, but if you wouldn't mind sharing everybody, your story, why you're here, and what you're looking for.
Okay, so hi everyone, my name is Melvis, and actually I'm just looking for a natural result. As you can see, my edges are all broken, so I just want something that is gonna fill them up. And
You wear a ponytail again, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. You said she's been watching all the videos, seeing the women without edges that get their edges that can wear ponytails again.
Yeah.
And you almost teared up earlier when we were talking about it. So I know it's an emotional thing for you. But
So what actually inspired me to come here is because I watched some of the YouTube videos and the recommendations were really good. So I said, oh, let me give this a try. But hopefully the results are gonna be awesome.
I know they will.
Yes.
And thank you for paying it forward. Hopefully this helps somebody else out there.
Problem.
So I'm going to have Zane move in. Just obviously she's got maybe 2 to 3 finger loss on both sides all the way around. She's got really good hair for this, so I'm excited. So we'll draw it all out and then do a little bit of shaving, and then we'll check back in and say hi to you again. Sound good?
Okay.
Awesome. All right, we are back. Melvis, how you feeling?
I'm feeling okay.
You doing all right? We just did a little bit of shaving. We drew out the line. Got a little Valium on board. I'm just going to zoom in just to kind of show the line here. She wanted to drop her hairline just a touch from the center third, the top part, just drop it a little bit. So we just dropped it a couple millimeters. But I think it looks nice and natural on you, nice symmetry to the face. I love it. So we'll go over to the other room and we'll check on you a little bit later, okay? Okay.
See you guys.
Bye-bye. All right, Melvis, we are in part 3. How you feeling?
Hi.
Doing all right? I woke you up. I know. I apologize. We'll let you get back to sleep in a second. Had some lunch.
Thank you.
Probably got another 20, 25 minutes left and we'll be done. All right. You look comfortable, though. That's good. All right. We'll see you a little later.
We'll see you living there.
All right. We are back. Melvis, you did it.
Oh,
Congratulations. You made it to the other side.
Thank you.
Be honest. How did today go? Give me the good and the bad.
Actually, today went well, by God's grace. Even though at a certain point, when it comes to the numbing, it was kind of painful.
Yeah.
But
That hurt.
that, there was no more pain.
Yeah, you got through it. It wasn't easy, but you got through it.
Exactly.
And the rest of the day, you took a nap. We had some lunch. We had a good time. It was fun.
We had lunch, and everyone here was so nice.
Oh, that's sweet.
Yep.
And then most importantly, I love what we did. I'm super excited with it. I'm going to zoom in just so everybody can see.
Sure.
So we really packed it in nice and tight.
Mm-hmm.
Looks beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Thank you.
Looks really good. All right, I'm going to spin you around here. Go on this side. There's the stitches back here. Looks beautiful. Melvis, thank you so much for doing this. I wish we could just get the results just like that, but unfortunately we have to wait a year. But hopefully we can follow you along and see in a year and see the new you, and you can wear your ponytail finally.
Exactly.
All right. Any words of advice to anybody out there looking around or kind of thinking about it?
Actually, you don't have to go to Turkey. There's a place close by here, and it's in Maryland. As for me, I'm coming all the way from New Jersey, even though it's 2 hours and 30 minutes, but it's not that bad as far as, traveling out of the country. And one other thing is that the doctors here are so nice. Even if you have, like impediment, you can always talk to them and they are understandable. So don't be shy, just channel them your challenge and then see how they handle it for you. But as far as I can say, this is a very nice place and I recommend it for everyone looking forward to having a solution to their alopecia.
Thank you. That was very sweet. And I'm looking forward to it as well, too.
Yeah.
All right. We'll hopefully see you in a year, okay?
Yeah,
All right.
thank
Welcome
you.
to the family.
Okay,
All right,
bye,
bye-bye.
guys.